Hey everybody, I'm about to sit up here because it's cold today. We go harvest this sugar cane. I'm going to try to cut it as close to the soil as possible. And I would like to thank my sister in the garden, Life with Tashana, for giving me the opportunity to grow it. So here we go, y'all. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try to overwinter that right there. I'm gonna put some mulch on it. It was about to grow another little baby and see if that'll come back, but see these little nodes? I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has some nodes on there, so I'm gonna taste it and cut these nodes off and try to multiply it for next season. So thanks for watching. I'm trying to see if we got any other nodes on there. We go see, but thanks for watching and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.